Hey, Ari here from the Tech Buyers Group. I'm at the Brilliant booth at PepCom on the sidelines of CES, and this is a combination of new products. This is called the
Brilliant Smart Home Control.
Okay, Brilliant Smart Home Control. This was released in November 2018,
Yep.
so, and that was your first product.
Correct, been out a little over a year, and it allows easy access over all of your smart home devices, so lights, music, climate. There's also built-in camera, motion sensor, and you can intercom between Brilliant controls in your home.
And is this the new product you're launching here at PepCom?
This is our new smart dimmer switch. So it has dimming capability, a motion sensor built in, as well as you can trigger scenes with a double tap of the switch. And what you're looking at on the control right now is our Ring integration. So when someone rings the door, everyone in the home can see on the Brilliant controls who's there, and if you have a smart lock, you can actually just tap the interface and unlock the door and let them in.
So that's an alternative to, for instance, an Amazon Echo Show. That's one of the features they offer. Of course, Ring being an Amazon company, they offer that feature, but you're enabling more people to access that without having a lot of devices on your countertops, because this is on your wall where you may actually, it doesn't take up extra space in your house.
It's built into the wall. It replaces a light switch, which is already a very intuitive interface that people are used to interacting with. So we thought, let's just make that something smarter and more robust, and give you really easy access over all these great smart home products that you're starting to bring into the home. So yeah, I mean there's a lot of things you can do. Let's see, we're demoing a little scene right there. So from the interface, maybe a good night scene, we can turn everything off. That'll dim all the lights, kill the music, and intercom feature is also a great one. So you can actually audio or video chat with other rooms.
And so what is this device over here? I see another Brilliant device.
So this is our single switch control. So there's 4 models. You can go ahead and accept that video call. And there I am from the other room saying hello.
Hello.
You can also do an audio chat. So the Brilliant controls are available in 1 to 4 switches. So you can, depending on how many switches you're trying to replace.
So this one is...
This is a 2-switch control. And then if you wanted a 3-switch control, there would just be an extra slider there, and then up to 4.
And this is a single switch, but I don't see a slider on here, so I'm a little confused about how this fits into the product stack.
So this, it just replaces a single light switch. So oftentimes, you don't have 2 switches, but you still want to add, easy smart home control. So you can actually, just with a simple flick, you can also dim that way by sliding up and down. So you have the full functionality just without that slider. That only starts with the 2 switches.
And is this one a new product?
No, so the whole line, 1 to 4, have been available since day 1.
So new in 2020 is what you're calling
the smart dimmer switch, we also have a smart plug, and both of those are Bluetooth mesh.
That's what it's going to look like
with the control.
So you need at least one of the previous Brilliant products to use the smart dimmer.
Exactly right. So you need one control in a home to then add your smart dimming switches and plug. What we find is people like to put the controls in areas like the living room, maybe a kitchen, maybe a master bedroom, where you want to control easily all of your home, and then you can add smart dimming switches everywhere else.
And what are the price points for the controllers? Starting with this one, this is the simplest one.
This one starts at $299, and then as you add switches, it's $50 more. So the 2-switch is $349, and then $399, and then $449.
Got it.
And the smart dimmer switches are going to be as low as $59 when you buy them in bulk. We're still determining what those quantities are. And the smart plug is available for $29.99.
Okay. Thanks so much.
Yeah.